Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Protech Strider SNG. Now this belongs to my buddy Kyle over at DTOM Knives and Gear. So as always, I'm going to leave a link to his channel down in the description. Definitely go check him out. He is a great friend and we actually swap knives all the time. You know, I owned this about 6 months ago and I ended up trading it for another Protech before I was able to review it. So like the good friend he is, he sent this bad boy on over to me and here we are. So I have been a fan of the Strider design for a really long time, and I think Protech did an excellent job on it. The cool thing is all the variations they actually come up with. This last drop actually had the bead blast blade, which I thought was really cool because, that's a good working finish, and you're not really going to scratch it all up, if you take it to work, stuff like that. Now, this one here actually has the stonewash blade, which is made from 154 cm steel. The handle is made out of 7075 aluminum, and it is a plunge lock automatic design. The pocket clip is tip up right hand carry only, and no, it is not a deep carry clip, but this was actually designed with military applications in mind, so I don't see them putting a deep carry pocket clip on a knife that a soldier is supposed to be carrying. Now the overall length on this bad boy is 8.25 inches. The blade length is 3.50. The cutting edge is 2.875 with a thickness of 0.13. Now, the handle length or closed length is 4.75 with a width of 1.50 and a thickness of 0.50. Now, the weight on this bad boy is, see, I had it ready that time, 4.895. So, sub 6 ounces, definitely a great EDC weight. Now, it is a bit wide and does take up a bit of pocket real estate, but, that's an even trade for having something this cool in your pocket. Now, compared to the Protech Magic Whiskers, which is a really cool knife as well, you can see it's roughly around 1.5 inches shorter than that. Compared to the Launch 13, you can see it is right around the same size as the SNG, actually. Let's throw a couple more in here. Since we got the autos out, the Microtech LUDT, again, right around the same size. And one more for good luck, the Hogue EXA05, which, again, right around the same size. So it's a common auto size. It is kind of a big knife, but it's not huge. With these choils and the way the handle is milled, it just feels great. It does not feel like a big knife. And honestly feels like something that I could do some really good bushcraft with. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram for much more. Stay safe and see you guys on the next one.